Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook mud crab. First, prepare your mud crabs by ensuring they are fresh and lively, which guarantees the best possible flavor and texture. Humanely dispatch each crab by chilling it in the freezer for about 20 minutes, then clean it thoroughly under cold, running water. Carefully remove the feathery gills, the small stomach sac behind its eyes, and the tough mouth parts to ensure a clean eating experience. Boiling is a classic and very quick method, requiring a large pot of heavily salted water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then carefully add the prepared crabs, ensuring they are fully submerged. Cook for approximately 12 to 15 minutes for a medium-sized crab until the shell turns bright orange. Alternatively, steaming for about 18 to 20 minutes allows the crab's natural juices to concentrate, offering a more delicate flavor. To elevate the flavor, infuse your boiling or steaming liquid with aromatics. Try adding a few cloves of garlic, a whole onion cut into quarters, or a couple of bay leaves to the water. You can also include a dash of white vinegar or a quarter cup of dry white wine for a subtle tanginess. A simple sauce of melted butter, perhaps with some minced garlic and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, always pairs wonderfully with the sweet crab meat. Serve your perfectly cooked mud crabs immediately, ensuring they are still warm for the best taste. Arrange them attractively on a large platter, perhaps with some fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkling of fresh parsley. Remember to provide essential tools like crab crackers and small picks, which make extracting every delicious bit of meat much easier for your guests. Offer a selection of dipping sauces, such as a spicy chili dip or a tangy aioli, to complement the rich crab flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.